Hey ladies, we all think that what happens when a man falls in love? Is it a temporary spark or something deeper? Men fall into love unexpectedly, experiencing intense emotions they aren't actively seeking. A man falls in love with you after sensing acceptance, appreciation, and understanding. Let's find the secrets of what men need in a woman to fall in love with. 1. A woman who is open to love. Men desire a woman who is open to love, but if you are resistant or hesitant to accept love, he will stay away from you. When a man feels continuous resistance and he is unable to express his affection, he ends up feeling rejected and no more interested in you. A man wants authenticity and honesty and love, not mind games or manipulation. He will love you madly if you are the one who know what you want in love and are open to give and take love to the best of your ability. 2. A woman who has wholeness and personality. Men love women who possess a unique blend of qualities. I'm not talking about any single quality, they want all in one, like good looks, kindness, honesty, and confidence. Now you are thinking it's impossible to find someone with all these traits. It's not really impossible, because there are certain women like you and the out there who are complete package. When a man meets you and you have all these qualities, he will instantly fall in love with you. As he will spend time with you, he will notice that you possess qualities like kindness, affection, loyalty, fun-loving spirit, and positivity, all in the right proportions. At a certain point he will realize that he can't resist loving you. 3. Woman with long-term compatibility. Most men are not only focused on the present, they're looking for long-term compatibility. When a man and a woman are compatible, they can engage in activities they both enjoy and create beautiful memories together. The lifetime compatibility is only possible if you both have same goals. A man can easily fall in love with you when he sees that your vision aligns with his own. 4. A woman who embraces life. A woman who embraces life's opportunities is appealing to men. If you are a woman who says yes to try new and exotic foods, exploring unfamiliar places, and embarking on adventures, then you are the one he wants in his life. Men may appreciate the beauty of high-maintenance women, but they don't choose to marry such women. Instead, they are attracted to women who are open to enjoy life. 5. Positive woman. Positivity triggers emotional attraction in men. Even the smallest hint of negativity from you can destroy a man's romantic pursuits. You can show positivity by simple gestures, like a warm smile, can put him at ease and bring contentment to his heart. The more joyful and positive he feels when he is with you, the more he will love you. 6. Woman who don't play mind games. Are you playing mind games in relationships to make him put in extra effort and to control him? Such tactics are major turn-off for men. Men appreciate honesty and openness in their partners, especially when it comes to meaningful matters. When you act distant or makes it challenging for him to impress you, these mind games tend to backfire. In response, he may become hesitant to fully commit to the relationship. So always be genuine and authentic and never use tactics to control him. 7. Woman who makes him feel he matters for her. Men appreciate clear and direct compliments rather than subtle hints. To make a man fall in love, it's essential to show your recognition and appreciation for who he is. This includes making him feel that he truly matters. When he supports you or gives you a gift, express your appreciation sincerely. This will make him love you and want you more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.